Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube video introducing Bark.com, the go-to online marketplace for connecting individuals and businesses with trusted services professionals. So Bark is an online platform that connects individuals and businesses with services professionals across various industries, and it serves as a marketplace where people can find and hire local services providers for a wide range of needs. And to start with the website, simply head on over to Bark or Bark.com and choose the official websites. That means the first one, a revolutionary way to hire local services and professionals. So once you click to the link, you get direct to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find the place where you can log in or join as a professional, and also this collection of services over here: the web design, house cleaning, gardening, and personal trainers. And you see this overview here for a person that is use Bark.com. She said that both companies that I responded to have been interactive and tended to my concern and needs, and more from words. So to log in for the first time, you need click on join as professional or as a professional. And okay, to find a service, you don't need to log in. Okay, you need to log in just if you want to provide a service. And after that, you need to write what service do you provide, or choose from these popular services, like example the house cleaning or live coaching, web design, general photography, and or web development, social media marketing, graphic design, or more from this. Like example, if you want to provide a web design, you need just to click over here and you will get start, enter your information and all of that. So the first question is that where would you like to see leads from? That means to tell them about the area you cover, so we can or they can show you leads for your location. 15 miles from, you need to enter your postcode here, and that you served customers nationwide or not, or to serve the customers within. And click on next. Then you need to enter the name, company name, and email address, phone number, the website. These two here are optional. Okay, let's try to open an account. So we need to wait for a moment up until the account's created successfully. So like you see here, you'll find your account here with all the setting for it, like switch to buyer, view public profile, or refer a friend, or even the logout. So like you see here, the account is created successfully. You will find how, like example, 24 minutes ago, this person Severin with the web designed Camberley, she asked for a service. If you want to buy your service, you need just to contact Severin. And this is the detail for the service that she asked for. And we have here other persons ask the same server. We have Taylor, Rachel, Janet, Paul, Steve, David, Rana, Fernando, and more persons are asked for the service for the web design. And to find your response about the service that you provide to the persons, you will find them over here, like you see these key features here. No response because this is the first time I provide this service on this website Bark. And also the setting for your profile, you will find it just here. Your profile, the review, the Elite Pro, and the body or the badges, account details. For the lead setting, we have these two settings here, and also for the communication, integration, and for the credits and the payments, and also the notification if you want to receive messages in your email address. And yeah, for this the communication and hearing, the users can communicate directly with the service providers through bark.com's platform. They can ask questions, discuss project details, and negotiate terms. Once they have chosen a service provider, they can proceed with hearing them for the job. And for the service delivery, and the payments that we see it before, the selected service provider will carry out the requested service according to the agreed upon terms, and or upon completion, users can provide feedback and reviews to help others and their decision-making process. Payment arrangements are typically made directly between the user and the service provider. So, like you see here, the website aims to simplify the process for finding and hearing services professionals by connecting users with reputable and qualified providers. It offers a convenient platform for individuals and businesses to access a wide range of services, making it easier to find the right professionals for their needs. So this will be the last or the end of our video today. I hope you get understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you still in good health until that time.